聚会，聚会。
To have a party. Party. Get together. Reunion.
To have a party. Party. Get together. Reunion.
这个周末同学聚会，你能去吗？这个周末同学聚会，你能去吗？
Can you go to the class reunion this weekend?
Can you go to the class reunion this weekend?
我很想去参加这个聚会，但那天我还有工作要做，不能去。我很想去参加这个聚会，但那天我还有工作要做，不能去。
I would love to go to this party, but I have work to do that day and I can't go.
I would love to go to this party, but I have work to do that day and I can't go.
你尽快完成你的工作。我希望你能去参加这个聚会。你尽快完成你的工作。我希望你能去参加这个聚会。
You finish your work as soon as possible. I hope you can go to this party.
You finish your work as soon as possible. I hope you can go to this party.
联系，联系。
Connect. Contact. Relate. In touch with. Link.
Connect. Contact. Relate. In touch with. Link.
我已经很久没有和他们联系了。我已经很久没有和他们联系了。
I haven't been in touch with them for a long time.
I haven't been in touch with them for a long time.
他是我的小学同学，我们现在还经常保持联系。他是我的小学同学，我们现在还经常保持联系。
She is my primary school classmate, and we still keep in touch with each other often.
She is my primary school classmate, and we still keep in touch with each other often.
请在表格上写下您的联系电话。请在表格上写下您的联系电话。
Please write your contact number on the form.
Please write your contact number on the form.
随着科技不断的进步，人与人之间的联系越来越方便。随着科技不断的进步，人与人之间的联系越来越方便。
With the continuous advancement of science and technology, the connection between people is becoming more and more convenient.
With the continuous advancement of science and technology, the connection between people is becoming more and more convenient.
差不多，差不多。
Almost.
Almost.
我和他们差不多10年没有见面了。我和他们差不多10年没有见面了。
I haven't seen them for almost 10 years.
I haven't seen them for almost 10 years.
我家离超市差不多2公里。我家离超市差不多2公里。
My house is about 2 kilometers away from the supermarket.
My house is about 2 kilometers away from the supermarket.
从这儿走路到宾馆差不多10分钟。从这儿走路到宾馆差不多10分钟。
It takes about 10 minutes to walk to the hotel from here.
It takes about 10 minutes to walk to the hotel from here.
你什么时候能回来？你什么时候能回来？
When can you come back?
When can you come back?
差不多20分钟后。差不多20分钟后。
Almost 20 minutes later.
Almost 20 minutes later.
专门。专门。
Specially.
Specially.
他专门从国外回来参加这个聚会。他专门从国外回来参加这个聚会。
He came back from abroad specifically for this party.
He came back from abroad specifically for this party.
妈妈专门请了设计师给他做了一件婚纱。妈妈专门请了设计师给他做了一件婚纱。
Mom specially invited a designer to make a wedding dress for her.
Mom specially invited a designer to make a wedding dress for her.
他专门为女朋友准备了一份特别的礼物。他专门为女朋友准备了一份特别的礼物。
He specially prepared a special gift for his girlfriend.
He specially prepared a special gift for his girlfriend.
毕业，毕业。
Graduate.
Graduate.
自从大学毕业后，我和小李就再也没有见过面了。自从大学毕业后，我和小李就再也没有见过面了。
Since graduating from university, Xiaoli and I have never seen each other again.
Since graduating from university, Xiao Li and I have never seen each other again.
他毕业后就去国外工作了。他毕业后就去国外工作了。
He went abroad to work after graduation.
He went abroad to work after graduation.
他毕业后一直找不到工作而感到担心。他毕业后一直找不到工作而感到担心。
He was worried that he could not find a job after graduation.
He was worried that he could not find a job after graduation.
麻烦，麻烦。
To bother.
To bother.
麻烦你通知他们一下。麻烦你通知他们一下。
Please let them know.
Please let them know.
我想麻烦你帮我一个忙。我想麻烦你帮我一个忙。
I would like to ask you to do me a favor.
I would like to ask you to do me a favor.
麻烦你快一点儿。麻烦你快一点儿。
Please hurry up.
Please hurry up.
谢谢观看。